Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to delete absolutely all contacts from your iPhone. You have your contact book and you want to delete them all so that you don't have to delete each contacts separately. How to do this? Very easy. This method will only take you a couple of minutes. To do this, we go into the settings of the iPhone. Now click on iCloud. Then we click here again. After that we click Show All. If the checkbox here is not turned on, we need to turn it on. After that we need to turn it off again and click on Delete from my iPhone. After we click on this button, absolutely all contacts will be deleted. You just click here. That's the easy way. That was the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.